Welcome to LATAM MedTech Insights. A major regulatory shift just occurred in Brazil that demands immediate attention from all medical device manufacturers. Last week, Brazil's National Health Surveillance Agency, ANVISA, published a new resolution completely overhauling the essential safety and performance requirements for medical devices and IVDs. This move is designed to harmonize Brazil's framework with international best practices, particularly those from the International Medical Device Regulators Forum, or IMDRF. The core of this update is a significant pivot towards a lifecycle approach to risk management. Previously, compliance focused heavily on the design and development phase. Now, ANVISA requires robust risk management documentation and processes that cover the entire product lifecycle, from conception through post-market activities. This is not just a paperwork update, it is a fundamental change in regulatory philosophy. For foreign manufacturers, this means that technical dossiers that were compliant last month may be inadequate today. For example, the new regulation explicitly mandates more stringent requirements for software as a medical device, or SAMD. It demands detailed cybersecurity risk assessments and validation data that many non-Brazilian companies may not have prepared for the Brazilian market. Another critical change is the heightened requirement for clinical data. The resolution specifies that clinical evidence must be directly relevant to the Brazilian population or provide a well-documented justification for its applicability. This could trigger the need for additional local clinical studies, adding time and cost to market entry. One real-world example is a new mandate for comprehensive usability engineering reports for all Class 3 devices. A European manufacturer found its recent submission for a new infusion pump system halted. Their existing CE mark documentation was no longer sufficient because their human factors study did not specifically address risks related to use in Brazil's diverse healthcare environments, a new point of scrutiny under this resolution. These changes signal Brazil's commitment to raising the bar for patient safety. However, they also create new hurdles for market access. Companies must now meticulously review and update their quality management systems and risk management files to align with these new lifecycle-focused requirements. Navigating these nuanced regulatory shifts is critical for success in the dynamic Brazilian market. For expert guidance on adapting your regulatory strategy, contact our team at Chen-Global by email or visit our website.